Hello, lovely friends. Thank you for being here today for this chocolate chip cookie collab with my lovely friend Kim. We started talking about chocolate, and you know what a slippery slope that can be. I ended up going to this farm locally and getting some double choc fudge as a result, and some honeycomb. We all need inspiration, don't we? So I started mixing up the colours, and I was thinking double choc because that's what we said. And it ended up being a trio of chocolate. To begin with, I'm making my white chocolate. So to make this, I'm using my titanium white and I'm using my Pebeo iridescent gold. I'm just using a very small amount. I wanted to show you here just how much I use. So I'm literally putting in drops at a time to get the colour and consistency that feels right. And you can see the comparison there between the titanium white and what is now the white chocolate. So there's my dark chocolate and there's my milk chocolate, and they're the colours that I mixed. So my honeycomb is literally Pebeo iridescent gold on its own. And I mix that with the titanium white to make my white chocolate. So I've got 3 coasters today, and I ended up making one with a dark chocolate base, one with a white chocolate base, and one with a honeycomb base. So let's see how it was all mixed together. It's funny because when you do collabs and when you do something that's artistic and you start talking about things, it's lovely having the freedom just to see what comes up. So this dark chocolate base, if you look at it in terms of being a brown, it's actually quite a nice brown. I always think of dark chocolate when I think of this brown. When you think about this colour here together, it's more of a caramel chocolate, but when it dries you can see that richness coming through. So I'm just doing whatever pattern feels right to me today, and I'm putting my white chocolate on, and I'm going to get my palette knife and I'm just doing a nice little squiggle to see how it's all mixed together. So I went through creating this coaster and tilting it, getting rid of all the air bubbles, and just really enjoying myself today. So thank you to Kim for doing this wonderful collab together. It's funny, when we started talking about chocolate, I know that I certainly went out and bought some ice cream, and I know she did, and we were eating cookies for inspiration, so it can be quite a dangerous slope to go down, but it was a really fun one. So fun. So just enjoy the journey as I create these 3 coasters, and I'll come back towards the end when I do a slight embellishment, and let's see how these 3 were created.
you always seem to keep me second guessing. I've been walking a while, got me tripping. I'm tired of what you put me through. Don't know where it all started, but you're making it harder. No matter what I do, I keep coming back to you. Ooh, I keep coming back to you. Ooh, I keep coming back. You put me through hell, but I just can't stay mad at you. Know me so well, but you don't even have a clue that I'm the one that cares the most. And I wanna pull you close every time you pull away. Back and forth, oh here we go. We're up and down like roller coasters. You know I can't read your mind. Yeah, you always seem to keep me second guessing. I've been walking a while, you got me tripping. I'm tired of what you put me through. Don't know where it all started, but you're making it harder. No matter what I do, I keep coming back to you. I keep coming back to you. I keep coming back to you. And all the confusion, wait, what are we doing? Make up your mind, won't you now? I've been walking a while, you got me tripping. I'm tired of what you put me through. Don't know where it all started, but you're making it harder. No matter what I do, I keep coming back to you. I keep coming back to you.
Since I discovered using cocktail sticks, I've really enjoyed just using them on all sorts of different art. So on the dark chocolate one here, I'm using the gold, and this one on the honeycomb I'm using dark chocolate colour, and then on the white chocolate base coated one I'm using the dark chocolate again. So I'm just using the most contrasting colour to create that lovely look with the swirls. I'd love to know what you use to create swirls. I was watching Shannon from Shan B Fluidart recently, and I just love what she does with her swirls. I'm just using enough of the colour just to create really nice contrast. I'm seeing in the white one here how the darker colour is helping the contrast a bit more. There's enough white for me on there. There's enough sort of white chocolate and milk chocolate and enough gold, and so I'm just feeling like I need a bit more dark to make that contrast. In the dark chocolate one, I'm seeing that actually I could do a bit more white and a bit more gold. And then the honeycomb, I'm going to add a little bit more dark as well. So just enjoy the swirls, and I'll be back shortly to show you a close-up.
Shout, strike out, just wanna be heard. They don't ask, speak fast, and you wish they'd listen first. Oh, 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 and I already know. Oh, 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 'cause you could say it all, you could say it all in the silence. You could say it all, you could say it when you can't speak.
really enjoying this functional art, and knowing that when I'm doing sets, I can do sets of 2 or 3 or 6. And I'm really fancying going to a Christmas fair this year and getting together with a few other creatives and seeing what we do with our functional art. I've been watching Louise McKay and Angelia Bliss Art with their functional art pieces, and they've really inspired me recently. So please do go and check out their channels. I'll put the link in the description below too. So here's the close-up of the white chocolate, the dark chocolate and the honeycomb bases. I hope you've enjoyed this today. I've had such fun creating these pieces. It's been another wonderful collab with dear Kim. I can't wait to see her double choc chip cookie creations. So let's go over and have a look at her channel. Her details are in the description and her channel. Let's go over and give her some support and some love today. And if you haven't subscribed to her channel, please do. She's got some wonderful creations that can pop up and you can be notified. And if you like what you've seen today, I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel and share if you like. So here are the mugs with the coasters. I'm really looking forward to varnishing these 3 now and seeing which home they go to. So whatever you're creating, have a wonderful day. I love hearing your requests and I hope to see you again soon. Take care now. Bye.